Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind.
May I come in?
Sonakshi, please come in. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Take it.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Sonakshi, I'd like to know where do you come from?
Sir, I come from the village. My hometown is Kolida. My hometown is Gotha Bhukran. That is a village in Sikar, Rajasthan. And I usually live at my uncle's home. That is in village Kolida. That is also a part of Sikar district, Rajasthan.
Okay, so you are staying with your uncle?
Yes,
in
sir.
Sikar.
No, sir, in village Kolida, not in
And
Sikar.
how far is it from Sikar?
Sir, it is around 28 kilometers.
And where did you do your schooling from?
Sir, I did my schooling till 10th class. I was in a village school, that was Government Senior Secondary School, Kolida. And in 11th, 12th class, because I chose the PCM stream and there was no PCM stream, so I came to Sikar and I pursued my 11th, 12th class from APS Science School, Sikar, Adarsh Public School.
Okay, that's very nice. So tell me something more about Sikar.
Sir, Sikar is a district of Rajasthan and it is mainly famous for education. Like there are many education institutes. If I give the names, then LN, the PCP, the GCI, the Rajasthan Defence Academy, and it is mainly it is coming the Shekhawati region. So the Shekhawati region is famous for the defence sector.
I thought Shekhawati is also famous for those businessmen and all.
No, sir, Shekhawati is not so much famous. Like one businessman, now I am not recalling the name, that is from the Jhunjhunu sector, that is a big businessman, but now I am not getting the name of.
So you feel that Shekhawati is famous for people going into the armed forces?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you know what is the numbers?
No, sir, I don't know what the data is.
You may like to find out.
Yes, sir, I will
What
sure.
is the number? I believe it is one of the largest population of in a small region who are joining the army.
Yes, sir.
So that's how you become aspirant.
Yes, sir.
So how do you decided to join NDA?
Sir, first of all, from childhood, I had a dream that to join armed forces. That time I was not aware about the NDA, not other entries, but that time I had a dream that I want to join defense forces anyhow. And that time I was not aware about the army, air force, these types of stream. But after 10th class, I chose the PCM stream, and then my cousin, who is selected in 140 course of NDA, now he is posted Jamnagar, Gujarat. So I found that he joined NDA, and I also motivated from him. But that time I also came to know that NDA is not for girls. But after completing my 12th,
you got your inspiration from the families and friends and other people.
Yes, sir.
So today during this interview, we'll be talking more about you. And we'll discuss about your education, your family background and other activities. So first we'll talk about your education.
Yes, sir.
So suppose you tell me about your percentages scored in various exams since your class 10th. Then I'd like to know the subjects you have selected and why. Okay. What are the various competitive exams you have appeared till date? What are your future career goals and how do you want to achieve them? I'd like to know about your participation in games, sports and other extracurricular activities and special achievements. Tell me about your friends, who are your good friends and why do you consider them to be close friends? Something about your teachers, whom you are impressed with and those who are not very impressive to you. Okay? Go ahead.
Okay, sir. So, coming to my 10th education, so I completed my 10th from Government Senior Secondary School, Kolida, and I scored 93.33% from RBSE board. After 10th, I chose PCM stream. So, in village there was no PCM stream, so I have to transfer my school to APS Science School, Sikar. And in 11th class, I scored 96%, and in 12th class, I scored 99.40% with PCM stream. After 12th class, my first examination was ND exam, and the first attempt I was not able to clear it. That was the ND 148 girls first attempt, and in 149th and 150 course and also 151 I cleared the written examination, and in SSB I was conference out. And sir, another competitive exams I appeared in Navy SSR exams both times, and I also cleared that exam. I went there for physical. I was physically fit, and also that time the medical were held at the joining time. But there was a assessor who said that no, you deserve the better post. You should not come through this post. You should be a lieutenant. You deserve this. So that time I decided no, and now I have to join only and only NDA. Otherwise, my thinking was that I want to join army at any cost. So the examination was there, Coming to my extracurricular activities, so sir, in school time I played kho at district level. I also played seven stones, and that time in government school there was no more opportunities, so I didn't play it. But in dance I represented my school, and also I represented my village. In 11th 12th class I was in APS Science School Seeker. That is mainly famous for study and the classes, so there was no extracurricular activities. So for 2 years I have to stop my extracurricular activities, my games participation, that's all. But now I am pursuing college from Gramin Mahila College Seeker. So now I am participating again in extracurricular activities, like in debate competition I got the first prize and I represented my college. I also participated in dance competition, and in badminton I try to play badminton and I represent my college. And sir, coming to my friends, so I have lot of friends because of my social adaptable nature and because of my talkative nature. I have large number of friends. But if I talk about my best friends, so I have three best friends. That's Sneha, and Sneha, he is serving in Navy. He completed her training. Also Abhishek, he also completed his training from Navy. And Ankit, he is preparing for Air Force examination. And that's all about my friends. And sir, coming to my teachers, so sir, I have good bonding with my teachers. The main reason was I was good in my studies and extracurricular activities, also a hardworking and disciplined student. So that's why I had good bonding with teachers, and there was no one with my bonding was not so good. So I can say with all teachers my bonding was good. Sir, coming to my future plans, so sir, my main plan is to join NDA, and definitely I will do it. Otherwise I will come through the CDS examination.
Okay.
Yes sir, that's all.
So suppose even then you won't join, then what will you do?
If sir I will not join, then I will prepare for civil services examination, and I also want to guide the students about SSB, because if I will appear 2 or 3 SSBs, then I will have experience and then I will have knowledge. So that time I will give free guidance to the students, the rural students, because I know that in my region there are many students who clear written examination, but they don't found the SSB coaching and the SSB guidance. So that's why sir I want to also guide them.
So if you don't clear them, you guide them, what will happen?
Yes sir, because if a successful person that what to do, but an unsuccessful person also knows that what not to do, that what mistakes I committed, I learned from that, so I can make them learn also, sir.
Okay, it's very important to have insight.
Yes sir.
Isn't it? So SSB is something very, you can generally guide people, but you can't tell them unless you are an expert.
Yes, but I can, yes sir.
Yes, as a person, you can say how you prepare and how you can improve. But SSB or personality is something which you have to.
But sir, I can give them the tips that how you can improve your personality, what the factors they are looking for. Like sometimes people think that no, they are looking for OLQs, there are only English speaking, so they have a fear. So I can remove that fear. That will be enough, sir.
Take out this misconception. It doesn't work that way, okay?
Okay, sir.
So it's better to prepare for your personality rather than preparing for SSB alone, or having different notions about it. So tell me, how did you prepare for your SSB, though that you would not been there twice, but you could not get selected?
Yes, sir. In first attempt, I prepared myself, and I was not able to clear the SSB because that time I was not so much confident. But in second time, I learned from my mistakes, and that time I also had friends who got recommendation. So I took guidance from them.
How did you prepare? You took guidance from friends?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I didn't took any coaching, sir.
Okay. So what do you think was the reason you could not get? Both the times you got screened, but you could not, you were conferenced out.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, what was the reason? What, in your opinion, you could not get?
So according to me, like in first attempt, I was not so much confident. Like in interview, I was not able to express myself. And in second attempt, sir, that time I had good confidence, but that time I think I am lacking in general knowledge, general awareness.
Yeah. And how do you think now you are better prepared?
Sir, I am preparing. I prepared again for the general knowledge. Like I watched the daily basis news, and I learned from English channels. So that's.
What are you pursuing at present?
Sir, I am pursuing BSc programming. Yes, sir. Maths.
Physics, chemistry, maths.
Yes, sir.
Basics.
Yes.
Why not engineering or something else?
Sir, from beginning I didn't take interest in engineering.
Why?
Sir, it's my personal interest that I want to join the defense forces. So I want to focus on the competition exams, not in college.
Suppose you qualify in civil services, then you would like to be in the police services or in the administrative services?
Administrative service, sir.
Administrative services. That's nice. Okay, nice knowing about your education background.
Thank you,
So let's talk about your family now.
Yes.
I like to know about your parents, grandparents, other members of the family, their education, their occupation. How do you spend time together at home? Activities at home in which you personally get involved. Whom do you approach in case of a problem or if you wish to share something? Okay. Then tell me about your neighborhood friends. How do you spend time with them and what kind of activities? And I'd like to know about your pocket money. How much amount you get? How do you spend it? Okay. Anything else about your family? Go ahead, please.
Okay, sir. So first thing, from childhood I live at my uncle's home. So I would like to tell about my uncle's family. So my uncle is in BSF on the post of ASI, and he came only 2 months in the year. So I don't spend much more time with him. And my auntie is a housewife, and I have one brother and one sister. My brother is in post office on the post of postmaster, and my sister is a lab assistant in school. So I also have a nephew. So in free time, I usually spend my time with family and also with my nephew because I love children, and in free time I also teach him. And so coming to my neighbors, so sir, I have a good bonding with my neighbors, and there are many friends also. And sometimes when I get time, then I used to go and sit with them, and we share our experience. Like they are doing something else, so they tell me about their fields. I tell myself my field, so we share our ideas and also our future plannings. And sometimes we remember our childhood days also, sir. And sir, coming to my when I get any problem, so that time it depends on the problem, that what type of problem I am facing. If I am facing the outside problem, like someone said something, if I find any problem in education, that time I will reach to my brother and I will ask him. And if I have any health issue type situation, that time I used to go to my aunt. And sir, coming to pocket money, so especially I don't get any pocket money, but whenever I like, जब भी मुझे ज़रूरत होती है, that time I ask to my uncle, to my aunt, like please pay for it, and they paid.
Why not your parents?
Sir, because from childhood I live at my uncle's home.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You are a joint family and you are staying together.
No, sir.
Then?
I live at my Fupa's house, Fupa and hers.
Okay.
Okay, so I don't live at, because in my village is Gosha Bukla, and it is more rural than
It is
Kolida.
because of the education facility that you are staying with
Yes,
your
sir. Education, and also, sir, there is also financial issue.
financial issue.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, you can share with me.
What, sir?
You can share with me whatever.
No, sir, that's the main thing, that my father has less income and we are 3 siblings, so that's why my aunt says that no, she is mine and I will adopt her and then I will take care of her. That's the main reason.
Okay.
When on the festivals I used to go to my mom and father, so that time I can go.
So only on festivals you other.
Yes, sir, because in other festivals, other time I have to study,
So
sir.
your aunt doesn't have any children
No, sir, she has a daughter and a son.
and a son.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anything else?
No, sir. If I am forgetting, then
Okay, tell me 2 occasions when you shared something with your aunt or somebody.
what, sir?
2 occasions when you shared something with your aunt, any problem or any issue.
Okay, sir. Aunt. Sometimes, sir, like we face some issues. Like before 1 month, I got a pain in stomach. So that time I can't share with my brother because he don't think about and he don't know about the female's problem. Okay. So I shared with him. And sir, another I can remember, that is, now I am not recalling.
Okay.
Yes.
Doesn't matter.
Yes.
But stomach ache is very normal thing.
No, sir, that was a problem of cyst. It was unbearable pain. So that time
Okay.
then I go to the doctor.
So that gives me a fair idea about your education and your family. So let's talk about your hobbies, interests, spare time activities. What do you like to read? What do you watch on TV? How do you spend your spare time? Okay. What kind of books you have read? Then your use of internet and TV. Okay. Tell me about your routine on a working day and a holiday.
Okay, sir. So coming to my hobbies, so mainly my hobby is dancing. Whenever I get free time, then I used to close the door and I want to dance. And so my second hobby is on a Josh Talk app where we can talk to anyone, a stranger person in English. So for English communication, I started to talk to on the Josh Talk app. But after that, it becomes my hobby that to came to know about new friends and new people. They share their lives ideas like sometimes I talk the Karnataka's people, so they talk to about their culture also. And sir, I also like to play in my free time. Like I used to play badminton at my home, and also sir, I have a nephew. So I used to play with him, and I also teach him. He is in first standard, so I used to teach him new things, and like I also do with him drawing. And sir, if I talk about my watching TVs, these type of activities, so sir, I don't watch TV, but on mobile phone, like after cleared my NDS written exam, I got phone. So that time whenever I got free time, so I used to watch the English sessions on the Josh Talk YouTube app. There is the many people, the many successful people, they share their history and their story. So I used to listen them. And sir, I also want to know about new things that what is going on around us. So I used to the YouTube for this. And sir, coming to, sir, what was the next? Sir,
Try to recollect.
okay, sir. It was.
I asked you about your routine.
Yes, sir. So, sir, I usually get to 5. I wake up at 5:30. Then I used to go for a walk. And sir, I can run 1.6 kilometer in 8 minutes, and I'm trying to improve it. After coming back, taking breakfast. In breakfast, I used to take dahi, and sometimes I use chapati also. And sir, after breakfast, I took bath, and after that. Before 4 or 5 days there was my college examination, so I was preparing for that. But after completing my college examination, I joined a spoken class. So the timing is
Spoken class.
yes sir. In my district there is a spoken class focus. So 8 to 12 I go to the spoken class. Coming back home at 12:30, then I used to lunch. I have lunch, and after lunch I take some siesta, and sometimes I use my mobile phone. Like I talk to my friends and my family member, my relatives. And sir, in evening I played with my nephew and with childrens, and I talk to with family members, and I help them. Like in my aunt, I can help in kitchen. I am not much interested in kitchen, but sir, I used to help her in cleanliness the kitchen. That's all. And sir, in evening I pray at 7:30, and after praying I take dinner, and after dinner I studied for 2 to 3 hours. That's all about. And at 11 p.m. I go to sleep.
How about Sunday?
On Sunday, sir, there is no class. So I first thing that I don't plan my Sunday. It depends on that what the situation. Like sometimes I feel that there should be the room cleaning there. So I used to clean my rooms and my house. And sometimes if my aunt has another work, so I help her. Like if they have animals also, so I help her. That's also.
Okay, what kind of animals do you have?
And sir, if I talk about my reading habits, so before NDSSBs and I didn't have any reading habit, but I am improving and I learned 2 books like The Attitude is Everything, a book, and The Secret. And now I purchased a book, How to Win Friends, so I will study it from tomorrow. Yes.
Okay, you said you have some animals. What kind of animals are there?
Sir, cow. We have cow.
Cow?
2 cows. Yes, sir.
How many?
2, sir.
How much milk do they give?
What, sir?
How much milk do they give? Milk.
Okay, sir. One is giving 5 liter, and second is not giving now.
What is your role?
What, sir?
What is your role in looking after them?
So my role is like I can give them I can say the chara, and I can help my mother to drink them water to make
But
them.
your mother doesn't stay with you. She stays in the village.
So my aunt, I says to aunt my mother.
Huh?
I stay at my aunt's home, and I usually say mom to
To
her.
her also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have 2 mothers.
Yes, sir.
Lucky one.
Yes, I am very lucky.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
And what is the earning from the milk?
Sir, we don't sell the
How
milk.
do you preserve the milk?
Sir, we are like 5 or 6 members, so we get it.
Consume it.
Yes, sir, consume it.
You know how to make, buttermilk and all?
Yes, sir, I know.
How do you?
Sir, first of all, we boil the milk, and if we want to make the butter, what's a butter or paneer? For butter, first of all, we boil the milk, and after that, we cool down it, and we drop some curd, and covered it, and in morning it becomes dahi curd, and we through the, sir, I am not remember the exact English
What is the
name.
percentage of fat in 1 kg of milk?
What's sir?
What is the percentage of fat in 1 kg of milk?
1 kg of milk? No, sir, I am not.
Why? You are a science student, isn't it? Chemistry में पढ़ते हो ना?
Yes, sir.
Milk में क्या होता है?
Protein,
हाँ?
fat.
And what is there in curd?
No, sir, lactobacillus, I think.
Curd has got something which is very healthy for
Lactic acid, sir.
lactic acid. What
Yes.
else?
No, sir, I don't.
Does it have bacteria?
Yes, sir, lactobacillus.
So you should connect your study academics with your practical life also.
Yes, sir, I am
Isn't it?
trying. Yes, sir.
So you can actually learn something everywhere,
Yes, sir.
even in the domestic animals which you are keeping.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is Panchagavya?
Punch.
Panchagavya.
Okay, sir. Sir, the mutra, ghee, दूध, gobar.
Have you read about it somewhere?
Yes, sir, but I am not getting 5.
Since you coming from a rural family where animals are kept,
Yes,
I
sir.
thought I might as well ask you. So what is the utility of cow dung?
Cow dung, sir, we can use it as a like we can take fire. हम आग जलाने में काम में ले सकते हैं. Usually we use it at home. And sir, another, the gobar gas is also, there is also use of
So
this.
do you have gobar gas?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, we live in a rural area, so we don't have the equipments. We normally use it as
क्या
a,
चाहिए इसमें? आप फालतू का पैसा खर्च कर रहे हो. माता पिता की said कि there is a financial crunch also in the family. So and you have 5 members family which is using 2 cylinders in a month. So how much can you save in a month? If you have gobar gas, you will have better manure also, isn't it?
yes, sir.
सोचा नहीं.
No.
साइंस पढ़ाने का फायदा क्या हुआ? उपाधि सब पढ़ा रहे हैं तुम्हारे को. What is the advantage?
Sir, I will be lieutenant. This
You
is
will be
a,
lieutenant, but your science knowledge is going waste, isn't it?
yes, sir.
Huh? You haven't thought about it, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's very nice. So you are very interested in joining Air Force or
No, sir, army.
Army?
Yes.
Tell me more about Army. What do you know about Army?
Sir, army, first is army established on 1st April 1950. And
Tell
sir,
me about the organization of the Army.
okay, sir, our organization, sir, first is the main post of this CDS, Chief of Defence Staff, who is General, Lieutenant General
Organization
in
of the
General.
Army.
So the
Do you
section
know what is the
platoon.
organization?
Sir, I am not getting exact.
You don't know.
About the structure of army.
Organization and structure, okay.
Okay, structure. Sir, in structure, the first is section, then platoon, then company, and then sir, brigade. And sir, that's the man is the 4-star general who command the commands. And there are 7 commands.
What would be a corps headquarter or a corps in the hierarchy?
4 headquarters.
What is a corps or a division?
So they are the part of it, but sir, I don't know
So
the
what is
exact.
the role? Who is the commander, corps commander? Who is the division commander?
So like in section, there are only 10 person in platoon.
I know that. I am asking you about division. See, now you are not a little girl who just come out of school. You are a college girl, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You are grown up. You should know more.
Yes, sir.
You face to SSBs. Okay. So tell me more. What else do you know about Army?
And sir, it's our first Indian command. Sir, what was that? General K.M. Kariappa, who got the post on 15 Jan.
Okay.
So that's why we celebrate the Army Day.
Okay.
And the last
Okay, tell me various regiments in the army. Armored Corps, artillery, air defense. What are these and what do you know about them?
Sir, I don't know much more about
You don't
it.
know.
No, sir.
You didn't feel important to know about it.
Sir, I read it, but now I forget it.
How can you forget you are a topper, no? कितना number
Yes,
मिले?
but sir,
99.4%. It means you remember everything you read.
yes, sir.
Then,
But sir, I read it briefly, so now I'm not getting.
huh? You said मेरे जिंदगी में एक है मैं I just want to join army.
Yes, sir.
So why not this knowledge, basic knowledge? Am I asking you something very difficult?
No, sir.
Okay, what are the latest equipment in the army which are being acquired?
Okay, so sir. Insas rifle?
Inside rifle is
तो
20
बहुत
years old.
पुरानी
It
है,
is
sir.
not
No, sir, I'm not aware about it.
Not aware. Doesn't matter. You can know about it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I will read
what
it
is,
definitely.
What is it then about army which appeals you?
What, sir?
What in the army appeals you?
No, sir, I'm not getting.
किस चीज से आपको अट्रैक्शन होता है आर्मी की तरफ?
Sir, the first thing is the army's life, like
Right.
disciplined life.
What is the life of army officer?
Sir, army officer, like he do his every work with proper manner. Like if a civilian cannot do in the way,
How
the
are
army
you
officer
implementing
do.
this army philosophy in your personal life?
Okay, sir. The first is positive mindset. Like all army officers teach us this कि whenever you get any problem, so that time you should have positive mindset.
How do you keep yourself abreast with what is happening in the environment?
Sir, through YouTube, I used to watch the news. Yes, sir. There are
Tell me
many.
something which is very impressive. You are impressed with
Yes. Sir.
about current affairs or world affairs, anything which you are very familiar with. Tell me.
Okay, sir. So the first thing is in our country and in world.
Whatever, wherever you want to say.
Okay, sir. The first is in Indian Navy. INS once Giri is launched. And sir, the second is the Karnataka's election. There is new CM. And sir, in Assam,
Let's talk about world affairs.
world affairs. Okay, sir. So we recently we have practiced a Samudra Shakti exercise with Indonesia, and sir, we also launched a camp that is Karuna for Myanmar relief camp, and also sir,
Something about current affairs in the world affairs.
sir, there are current affairs. They are now they have
Okay.
launched, and with Bangladesh, 50 startups we launched, and so. Now
Okay, tell
getting
me
that.
about Israel and conflict with Palestine.
Sorry, sir, I don't
No
know.
idea.
No, sir.
Okay, Ukraine and India.
Ukraine crisis. Ukraine and Russia.
Ukraine-India relations.
Ukraine, sir, mainly our relations are with Russia, not with Ukraine. But in Russia-Ukraine war, like we,
Yesterday they were shaking hands. No?
yes, sir, in Japan's the summit.
Why you said there is nothing to do with
But sir, now the Ukraine thinks that only India that can help to stop the war.
What is the problem? What is the status?
Okay, sir. So
What request has been made with India from Ukraine side?
okay, sir. So, like before sir, 2 months, the Zelensky said, sir, Ukraine's prime minister.
Recently, a senior level government official visited India from Ukraine. Who was it?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay, tell me Russian oil which is being purchased by India.
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
No idea.
No, sir.
So, what do you think you should do?
Sir, I should do work on my current affairs. Like it's my weakness, and currently I am doing the practice, and I am like knowing new things and about that. But I started late, so that's why it takes time. But sir, definitely I will do it. But definitely I will do it, sir. I will.
Definitely?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, you are confident of yourself.
Yes, sir.
A bright child like you should grasp all these things, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So it was nice talking to you. It was a very interesting interview. I wish you all the very best.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Do well in life.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.